What's up guys, it's EDB, and today we will see a part 3 of my visit to Slovenian Railroad Museum in Ljubljana. What we may see here is a old school signaling. These tracks in the ground are tracks for Garden Railroad, which is not active yet. What we may see here is a wheel set trimming lathe machine. Pair of wheel set. Little steam locomotive, 150 series. These are crane wrenches. This is a steam locomotive, žutka 33 type. This here is a small narrow gauge steam locomotive. Here a pair of freight cars. This is a loading crane. Few other 2-axle rail cars scattered all around the museum. But mainly, this is the reason why I came to visit this museum. SŽ 362, or Slovenian žutka. Exact locomotive is stationed back in Rijeka, but in a way worse condition. Oldie but goldie. And yes, well, that's it. I hope you liked it. Thanks for watching. See you next time. For more info, go to EDB Railroad YouTube channel.